Mommy, are you gonna have a good day today or a bad day? How about Daddy's dead? Still gonna live here?
You know what? I don't know. What's Cindy's? What am I texting? Doritos? I like it.
Good morning, everyone. You just heard the soundbite of The Woman in the Yard official trailer. It comes out today. Is it good? Is it worth a ticket? We will find out. We are here at the theater. We're ready to go. Comes out today, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Reviewing.
Popcorn? Check. Soft drink? Check. Warner Brothers ball cap?